Nerves are on edge for many people around the world right now. They're watching, they're waiting, they're hoping, they're praying that a standoff with African pirates will end with the kidnapped American captain being set free. Here's what we know a day after an American-flagged ship was hijacked. The captain is being held hostage on a lifeboat, isolated by the U.S. Navy. There are intense negotiations underway, including the FBI. They're trying to persuade the pirates to free the captain. And General David Petraeus, the head of the U.S. military's Central Command, says the U.S. military will have a stronger military presence near the pirates within 2 days. Let's go straight to our Pentagon correspondent, Chris Lawrence. He's watching this situation rather closely. Chris.
Yes, well, General Petraeus says in the next 24 to 48 hours, 2 more Navy ships are steaming that way and will arrive in the area.